Evidence and the Exclusionary Rule. Weeks v. United States. The case of Weeks v. United States centers on the Fourth Amendment, which safeguards against unreasonable searches and seizures. Fremont Weeks was arrested by a United States marshal without a warrant, and his home was searched in his absence. Letters and papers were seized and later used as evidence against him in a federal court. The search was conducted without a warrant for either his arrest or the search of his premises. The key issue was whether the federal courts could keep letters and correspondence seized from Weeks' home without a warrant for use as evidence against him. The court reasoned that the Fourth Amendment applies to everyone, whether accused of a crime or not. It emphasized that federal courts and officers are limited in their power and authority. The court also stated that efforts to bring the guilty to justice should not come at the expense of sacrificing fundamental constitutional rights. The Supreme Court ruled that the seizure of Weeks' papers violated his Fourth Amendment rights. The court held that when a timely application for the return of the letters and papers had been refused, and they were used in evidence over his objection, a prejudicial error was committed. As a result, the judgment against Weeks was reversed. The court clarified that the Fourth Amendment is not aimed at individual misconduct of state officers but extends to the federal government and its agencies. This case established the Exclusionary Rule, which bars illegally obtained evidence from being used in court, and was later extended to criminal courts at the state level in Mapp v. Ohio.